Hello, my name is Scott Wood. I'm the Solutions Manager for HARMAN Connected PA. Connected PA is a way for someone who's not an audio engineer to get most of the way there of what a pro audio setup is. For example, it gives a simple setup. I need a vocalist, and it's going to be female. I'm going to put that female on this channel. Just the simple thing of selecting a female vocalist automatically selects an EQ curve for a female vocalist and a dynamics curve for the female vocalist, and sets up the effects. So you can turn up the reverb specifically selected for a female vocalist. Same thing, that female vocalist may be playing acoustic guitar. So I'm going to put an acoustic guitar on the track next to her. Then I'm going to get another vocal that is a male vocalist and put it on this channel. Take a bass guitar as an upright bass and set that next to that artist. Same thing, all these setups are set up with EQ and dynamics and effects ready for that person to operate. So once these are set up, all I have to do now is, when I go live, it automatically selects just those 4 channels as the channels that they want to use. You also have the 2 RCA inputs for if someone wants to play a CD. You also have the USB player that's built into the UI24 and the UI line of mixers, so I can play songs off the USB stick between events, and my 4 Lexicon hardware returns that are built into all the UI mixers. This gives a very simplified setup compared to the more complex environment of a UI mixer. In addition, you also have the speaker settings. So I can go in and I can select a speaker. The full settings of that speaker are available in Connected PA. Instead of having to go back behind the speaker and adjust the settings on the buttons on the back of the speaker, I can simply go to the settings of the speaker and change the settings on the speakers from an iPad as I'm walking around the room. I can do that on any speaker, or I can select the whole group and adjust the EQ curve on the whole group. So new this week is the new HARMAN Connected PA 113 software update for the Connected PA apps. This allows the person to create their whole mix in offline mode, and once they have the mix that they want, they can acquire the hardware needed to empower this mix. Once it's plugged in, all they need to do is go online. It automatically finds the mixers inside of their network. You select which UI mixer you want to use. You connect to it and you have the choice. I can send my current settings to the hardware mixer, or I can load the mixer's last settings. If it was used last night and I want to load those into Connected PA, I can instead load those into Connected PA. But in this case, I want to take the current settings and I want to push them into the UI mixer as well as all the speakers. When I hit continue and send to mixer, and then it will start pushing the settings into that mixer. And now those mixers are set up, and you can see by the lit up flower that it's now online with the mixer and the speakers. So new in HARMAN Connected PA 113 is the ability to record to your USB stick 2-channel, the same way as you can play music files 2-channel off your USB stick. The next feature that's new in 113 is you have control of all 4 of your Lexicon hardware effects processors. It's a very simple setup. All the operator needs to do is choose which level is coming back from which effects processor, and that's what's contributing to their final mix. So the list of products that works with HARMAN Connected PA are the Soundcraft UI series of mixers, the UI24R, the UI16, and the UI12, the AKG P5i microphone, and the MDAI dynamic microphone adapter barrel. There's the DI1 box from DBX and the JBL PRX Wi-Fi connected speakers. So my name's Scott Wood. You can go to the HARMAN Connected PA website and download the Mac or PC version, or to Google Play Store and download the Android version, or to the Apple App Store and download the iOS version.